Hello guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video we will talk about how to cancel your Alevia medical weight loss subscription. Okay, so the subscription cancellation is very easy. You just need to simply type on internet, like on any browser, how to cancel Alevia weight loss medical subscription. Then you will see their phone number. You can contact with their customer support and you can cancel your subscription. If this method will not work for you, so you can follow the second method, that is like this one. You need to compose an email. The email format you can see on your screen. In the email you need to provide your name, your account number, your subscription starting date, end date, and the most of the information which is related to your subscription you need to provide. And in the subject box you need to write like request for cancellation subscription, and in the end you need to ask a proof of cancellation also. Once you done this email, you need to send the email at their email address, that is like you can see over here, that is like receipt. I want to show you something that is like this one. You need to send this email at this email address, that is receipt@alevia.com.au. okay, and once they receive your email they will contact you and they will provide written confirmation. And if you don't get any written confirmation, it means your subscription is still active and you need to keep in touch with their customer support regarding proof of cancellation. And when you call their customer support by using phone number, you should also ask proof of cancellation in the written form. Okay, so these are the simple methods by which you can cancel your subscription. Now if you have any other questions, you can make a comment. I will reply you very soon, and thanks for watching this video. Bye bye, take care.